Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dietotox, where health meets knowledge. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing family. In today's video, we'll explore the top 20 best foods for liver health. Natural, powerful, and easy to include in your daily diet. Your liver works hard every day to detoxify your body, so let's give it the love it deserves. Coffee. In moderation, it lowers the risk of liver disease. Green tea. Contains catechins that improve liver functions. Garlic. Helps activate liver enzymes and flush out toxins. Grapefruit. High in antioxidants like narration that boost liver health. Berries. Blueberries and cranberries protect the liver from damage. Grapes. They help reduce stress and keep your mind active and healthy. Oatmeal. Oatmeal cleanses toxins and supports liver function with its rich fiber. Broccoli. Improves enzyme production and reduces fat in the liver. Leafy greens. Such as spinach and kale, they help neutralize heavy metals. Avocado. Contains healthy fats that protect liver tissue. Walnuts. Omega-3 fats help detoxify ammonia from the liver. Almonds. Almonds protect the liver and reduce inflammation naturally. Olive oil. Promotes healthy liver enzymes and fat balance. Fatty fish. Rich in omega-3, helps reduce liver inflammation. Turmeric. Curcumin reduces inflammation and supports detoxification. Beetroot. Rich in antioxidants that protect liver cells. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts boost detox enzymes and help protect the liver from damage. Apples. Pectin helps clear toxins from the digestive system. Quinoa. Quinoa supports liver detox and helps reduce fat buildup naturally. Water. The most powerful detoxifier, keeps your liver hydrated and active.